A very good morning to all the students. So students, we have already started our chapter 3, that is journey of food. We also have started the subtopic, that is journey of food from field to our plate. So students, we have gone through different points about the journey of food from field to plate. We have completed up to point number 6. So point number 6 says that to protect the crops from birds and animals, farmer put up scarecrows. Okay students, in order to protect the crops from different birds and animals, the farmer they use scarecrows. Okay students, so today we are going to start from number 7. When the crops is ripe, it is cut. Okay students, when the crop is finally ripe, it is then cut. This is called harvesting. Okay, the process of cutting down the ripe crops is known as harvesting. It is done by the sickles or machine. Okay students, by two things we can cut down the crops, that is sickle given over here in the image and the machine. Okay students, so number 8 you see farmer packs the crop in a gunny bags. So after cutting down the crops, then the farmer they pack the crops in a different gunny bags, which is given over here in the image. You see here. Then these bags are transported in trucks to the wholesale market. After packing the crops in different gunny bags, the crops are then transported to wholesale market in trucks. Okay students. So number 9 you see shopkeepers and vendor buy the crops from the wholesaler. Okay, the shopkeeper and vendor they buy the crops from the wholesaler. Okay, these are the wholesalers. So finally we buy food from the shopkeeper and vendor. So students, shopkeeper and vendor they buy from wholesaler. First you have to understand that farmer they sell to wholesaler, and then shopkeeper and vendor they buy from wholesaler, and then finally we buy from shopkeepers and vendor. We buy cereal, pulses, sugar and oil from a grocer. Okay students, if we want to buy cereals, pulses, sugar and oil, we go to a grocer. We buy vegetable from a green grocer and fruit from a fruit seller. So whenever we are in need of vegetable, we go to green grocer, and then for fruits we go to fruit seller. Okay, so now Smita knows how food travel from farmers to our plate. So after completing the 10 point, then finally Smita is clear about how the food travel from the farmers to our plate. Okay students, so I hope it is clear to you also. So next sub point is the spices. You must have noticed that your mother flavor food with spices like ginger, cloves and chilies. So, whenever our mothers she flavor food with spices, ginger and cloves, the smell that comes out is very delicious. Okay, so this kind of spices are used to provide flavor to different food items. Okay, students. So, spices are part of plant. You have to remember that these spices are the part of different plants that have very strong taste and smell. Okay, spices has very strong taste as well as smell. They are used to give food more flavor or special flavor. So, spices are used to give a special or more flavor to the different food items. Okay, students? Some spices have medicinal value as well. So there are some spices that have medicinal value also. So today we are going to study about the same. We are going to study some common spices. So let's start with chili. We add chili powder to food to make it hot and spicy. So whenever we want to eat very hot and spicy food, we add chilies in our food. No students? We also use chili powder to make the hot sauce and pickles. So if we want to make a hot sauce and pickles, then we add the chili powders. So now next is the turmeric. This is a chili powder and these are turmeric. Turmeric powder is used to make food look yellow. So turmeric powder, it makes the food yellow. It is used as a yellow dye as well. Okay. The turmeric also is used as a yellow dye. So when you get hurt, your elder often apply yellow turmeric powder to your wounds. So students, whenever we get hurt, our parents or elders, they apply yellow turmeric powder to our wounds, because turmeric help to heal our wounds. Okay students, so these turmeric are used as medicinal value. They have a great medicinal value. Okay students, it is also used to make the cosmetic creams. So I think you all have seen in television that it is shown that the turmeric powder will help to make creams, okay, that will help to glow our skin. So next is the black pepper. Here it's a black pepper. Okay students, it is the world most popular spice, so which means that it is used worldwide. Okay students, it gives food a very nice flavor. So the black pepper, it gives a very nice flavor to the food. So next is the cloves. They look like nails. Here you can see in the image, they just look like a nail. Okay students, clove oil help to relieve toothache. So clove is also used to make oil that helps to relieve toothache. Okay, it is also used in perfume and soaps. So cloves are also useful in making the perfumes as well as soaps. Okay, so spices like cloves, cardamom and turmeric are recognized by their smell. Okay students, these all are recognized by their smell because it is very strong. Spices like black pepper and cinnamon can be recognized by their taste. Okay students, they are recognized by their taste. Plant provide us with many useful things. So all these things are provided to us by plant and they are very useful to us. And we love the different flavor that are put in our different food item. So I hope it's clear to you till here. With this we complete our chapter 3. So next tomorrow we will be doing our exercise. So thank you.